How is Jupiter lighting us up? Jupiter is referred to as Bruhaspati. If somebody is brilliant, then we say, he's a Bruhaspati. Wherever Jupiter is in the orbit, the sun gets pulled in that direction. So depending upon where Jupiter is going, sun is here, 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 here. So whenever Jupiter and Earth come in sync between their two orbits in the month of October, November, at that time the dynamism of the sun is at its highest peak on this planet. After the summer solstice or after the sun's movement in relationship with our planet has started moving south. When this shift happens on the day of the solstice, from then on, in terms of nature, you're moving from a dynamic movement of energies, both of the planet, or at least the northern hemisphere, and what is happening in our bodies. When we move away from the dynamic nature, we're naturally moving towards what we refer to as inertia. The extreme manifestation of inertia is death. So in a way, we are moving towards a certain slowdown of our system. So this is the nature of the planet. So when this shift happens and sun's movement starts turning south, depending upon which part of the 12-year cycle we are in a given year. When I say a 12-year cycle, the solar cycle, as per the observations within our system, is approximately 12.25 to 12.4 years. But today, as per modern calculations, they say it's 11.6 to 11.65. But that is not taking into considerations the movement or our relationship with the Jupiter. As you know, most of you should know, at least those of you who are in India are aware of this, that Jupiter is referred to as Buddha because it is supposed to be Bruhaspati. If somebody is brilliant, then we say, he's a Bruhaspati, because his intelligence, his energies have become lit, very dynamic. So the story goes like this: there was a sage called Bruhaspati, and Adiyogi made him into a planet and put him as Jupiter. You be there to guard over the human creatures so that they become human beings. Light them up. How is Jupiter lighting us up? As you all know, Jupiter's orbit is outside of the Earth's orbit. Wherever Jupiter is in the orbit, the sun gets pulled in that direction. Sun is not stationary. It gets pulled in the direction of the Jupiter approximately the same distance as the diameter of the sun itself. So depending upon where Jupiter is going, sun is here, 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 here. So whenever the Jupiter and Earth come in sync between their two orbits, because our orbit is 365 days, Jupiter's orbit is 11.85 years. So, whenever it comes in touch, at that time, the dynamism of the sun is at its highest peak on this planet. As all of you know, that the only source of energy on this planet is solar energy. Don't think solar energy happened after you invented your panel. Every leaf is solar energy. A dead body can turn into coal or oil or diamond because of solar energy. Just everything that happens here is solar energy transformed into various expressions. You also are solar charged. So when the planet and the Jupiter gets aligned, because this is moving rapidly, this is moving slowly, it gets aligned somewhere. When that happens, you get the maximum. While this maximum is good, if you keep the planet good, because this maximum brings extra heat. On an average, there is a variation of 2.5 degrees Celsius variation in temperature in these 12 years or 12.25 years of cycle, solar cycle, mainly because of the influence of the Jupiter pulling the sun a little closer to us. So this means more sunlight, more temperature, more radiation. If we want to benefit from this, we must keep the planet healthy, green, then you will benefit. Otherwise, you could be little scorched out. Recent research is talking about that climate change could shrink the human brain. Are you noticing it? So, in this 12-year cycle, right now, we are not aligned with the Jupiter right now, but we will be after some time. Probably in the month of October, November, we will be aligned. So you may have a little late winter coming because this year we will be aligned around that time.